everyone, I'm Nina and this is the 5th part of my how to draw a realistic face tutorial. This video is about skin. I'll be showing you how to make the skin look more or less realistic, and I'm taking, as you can see, an F pencil. F means fine, you can take another one if you want, for example, HB or H. The next pencil I'm showing is 3B, both are by Faber-Castell. Also, I will need a brush for blending. I have a few, some of them are bigger for the bigger surfaces. It's only about making yourself comfortable with your supplies, so I decided to buy a set with different sizes. And the last thing I'll be using is an eraser. Mine is shaped as a pencil, it's called Perfection 7056, also by Faber-Castell. So right now I'm showing you the darkest part of the face. No matter if it's a woman or a man, these are the darkest areas. Why? Because of the shape of our skull. So I'm taking an F pencil and filling in the right side of the face. If you're a righty, please start with the left side. You'll be super happy about it later. And if you're a lefty, start with the right side. As you can see, I'm not pressing hard on the pencil, I'm doing it pretty slightly. When I'm done, I'm blending everything with a brush. And by the way guys, if you like this video and if you find it helpful, please subscribe and press the bell. It's really fast and easy to blend everything with a brush, so if you don't have it in your pencil case, go get it. It's really cool to have it. I'm taking the same pencil again and making the area under the cheekbone darker. And here comes the tip from Nina. If you do makeup, remember how you do contouring? This is basically it. Actually, when you draw, you're never just an artist or an illustrator, whatever. You're a makeup artist, you're a plastic surgeon. Yep, if you start accepting commissions, people will be asking you to make the nose smaller or the eyes bigger. You're a lot of things, so start getting used to this already now. Alright, let's get back to our drawing. I'm blending under the cheekbone, on the temple, on the top of the forehead. I'm smoothing out every layer because we need a nice result. We need a smooth, beautiful skin. I'm gonna speed it up here a little bit because I'm just doing the same actions. Just remember not to press on the pencil and apply it evenly. So when I realized that the F pencil isn't saturated enough for me anymore, I took a 3B pencil and doing absolutely the same, plus I shaded the area above the eyelid. I should point out that skin has some kind of a structure, and I think the structure of the paper can help you with that. Also, after blending the pencil, you can see some strokes anyways, even though the brush smoothes it out, so the drawing does have some structure. And by the way, check out my art life on Instagram, I have a lot of cool stuff coming there. It's not hard to draw skin, but it is hard to sit patiently and apply the pencil layer by layer and then blend it. But trust me, here is a lot worse. And by the way, this is the next part of my tutorial, so check it out when it's out. Meanwhile, I'm moving towards the mouth area now. We have a crease under our bottom lip and the skin there is also a lot darker. A dimple over the lip is usually also darker, just like the area under the nose, because the nose casts a shadow. If you have any questions, you can ask them in the comments and I will gladly answer them. So the right part of the face is basically done. I'm just fixing little details and starting shading the left one. So now I'll be drawing the left part of the face, and because it's going to be just like the right part, I'll speed it up. I'm taking an eraser and giving the lips some highlights. And I decided to draw some freckles because I think it's cute. I don't have freckles myself, but once I tried to make them on my own face with henna and it looked very natural, but I look like I'm 12. I'm 23 right now, by the way. I apologize for that. This is my husband helping me to do the voiceover. Well, after the freckles, I'm filling in the neck and it's a lot darker under the chin because of the light. The last thing I'll do is join the ears. In my first tutorial, where I was showing you guys how to sketch this face, we learned that the ears are as big as the nose. But this particular drawing is not the best to show and explain how to draw the ears. Comment if you want a tutorial only about the ears, because they can be pretty complicated to draw, and I can make it. But for now, just follow what I do. It's basically filling in the ears and adding some shadows. Moreover, these ears are probably gonna be covered with hair. So this is the end of my tutorial. I really hope it helped you. Subscribe if you want to watch more videos from me, and thank you for watching. Bye!